question. First of all, construct a straight line segment AB such that AB equals to 6 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Okay, it's easy. First, draw a straight line and measure 6 centimeter. Okay, measure 6 centimeter by using your compass. Draw an arc. Okay, you should place your needle at here. Draw an arc. Place your needle at here and draw another arc. And now you have AB straight line segment which is equals to 6 centimeter and length. Thereafter, you should draw perpendicular bisector of this construction as well. To draw the perpendicular bisector, place your needle here, draw an arc over the line and below the line as well. Again, place your needle at point B, draw an arc over the line and below the line as well. When we connect the intersection of these arcs, that will give you the respective perpendicular bisector of this line. We have that. Okay, this is perpendicular bisector. That means perpendicular and bisect the total length into equal two portions. That means both are A and this point in between here, which is 3 centimeter, here to B also exactly 3 centimeters. The next one, construct the circle that touches AB at its midpoint P and has the center O 5 centimeter from A. Okay. Read it again. Construct the circle that touches AB at its midpoint. So what would be the midpoint of AB? We already know that this is the midpoint of AB. Okay. So that means that should touches AB at its midpoint. So its midpoint is here. So touch, and then next thing, this point which is denoted by capital letter P at midpoint P and has its center O 5 centimeter from A. So 5 centimeter from A, no? That means use your ruler and compass, measure 5 centimeter, place your needle at here. Now in your compass you have 5 centimeter measurement, no? So by using that, place your needle here, draw an arc. Draw an arc. So that will give you in between length from A to this particular point O. A to this particular point O, which is 5 centimeter away from each other. These two are 5 centimeter away from each other. What we did was, we just measured 5 centimeter by using our compass. Place your needle at here and draw an arc. We know that our midpoint of the particular circle is located in the perpendicular bisector. So where this arc and perpendicular bisector intersect, that would be the location of the midpoint, center of that circle. And here this is touching this AB line at P. Okay, at point P. So now what do we need to do is, it's very easy. Place your needle of your compass at point O. Place needle of your compass at point O. Okay, and your pencil should be located exactly at point P, where the straight line and the pre-existing line intersect. At that place, place your needle. Now by using that one as a radius, draw a circle. Just draw a circle. I hope you understood. I'll clarify this again. These two are 5 centimeter away. Okay, that's fine. Then the circle is touching this AB at point P. No, that means, so here you should draw something like this, because this is touching AB at P. So that would be the radius of our circle. Hiddenly they were given a hint, so you should get use of it. Okay, we have constructed our circle. Thereafter, I'll read the next thing. Then construct the bisector of APO. APO means this right angle. We have to construct the angle bisector for the APO. Okay, let's draw this. The thing is, place your needle of your compass at point P, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Place your needle at here, draw an arc. Place your needle here, draw another arc. I'll repeat again. Place your needle of your compass at point P and draw an arc. Draw an arc. And again, what do we need to do is, place your needle of your compass at here, where this arc and AB line intersect. At that place, place your needle of your compass, draw an arc. Place your needle of your compass at point here in the vertical line and where this arc intersect. Place your needle here, draw another arc. Draw another arc. When you connect these 2 points by using a straight line, that would be the angle bisector of respective APO angle. Okay. So this is the angle bisector of APO. And name the point at which it intersects at the circle as Q. Okay, where this straight line, okay, the angle bisector intersected with circumference of this circle as Q. So place this point and denote it as Q. This is our Q. Thereafter, produce the line PO. Take the point at which it meets the circle at T and construct the perpendicular from T. Okay, I'll read it again. Okay, last statement was very important. We have to read it at least twice. Produce the line PO, take the point at which it meets the circle as T. Okay, which it meets the circle as T. So that means we have to extend this OP line. Only they were given that produce the line PO, take the point at which it meets the circle as T and construct the perpendicular from the T to the line PQ. Okay. We have to extend this, and where it intersected with circle that one as T, from T we have to draw a perpendicular bisector for this particular line. That's the thing we need to do after this. Okay, I'll do that properly. Okay, here I am going to extend this line until it reaches opposite end of the circle, and I have to denote it as T. Denote it as T. Thereafter, from T, the perpendicular bisector from the point T to the line PQ. Okay, we know that from an external point, when we draw a perpendicular line for a given straight line, you should place your needle here and place your pencil somewhere greater than this distance, and draw an arc. Then after, by using that arc, place your needle here, draw an arc. Place your needle at here, draw another arc. When you connect these 2 points, that would be the perpendicular line. We know that how to construct perpendicular line from an external point to a given straight line. So here what I'm going to do is, I'll place my needle at here. I'm going to take the measurement in between them, and I'm going to extend this a little, not in a big margin, a little. And I'm going to draw an arc. Then after, as usual, what I have explained here, you should follow the same procedure to construct your perpendicular line. That's very easy. Okay, here we have, from here, here what I did was, I measured, okay, a partial measurement. Just take a measurement which is little greater than in between distance. Draw an arc that should be intersected at 2 points. Place your needle here. Okay, draw an arc. Place your needle at this point. Okay, I use different colors. Okay, you can understand this clearly. Here, draw an arc. Then finally, we have to connect this T and this point. Okay, T and this point. So that should be somewhere here. Okay, that should be. Wait, I'll draw my proper construction. So it would be here to here. That means here to here, here to here. Yeah, below the line. And then after, let's connect them. Okay. We have connected T and the intersection of those 2 arcs. Okay, those 2 arcs. This is the construction you should do up to here. Thereafter, what they were told, give reasons why this perpendicular should passing through Q. Okay. Next statement was, here we constructed a perpendicular line. That should be somewhere here or here or here. No, but it's perfectly going through Q. It's perfectly Here we have already denoted the point Q where this mm, angle bisector of APO and the circle coincide. This would be the point Q. Then after, there is no any relationship between T and Q. Just constructed perpendicular line from T to this given line. That is exactly going through Q. So they are asking you why this perpendicular should pass through Q. So we have to write what is the reason beyond this. It's not a big deal. Easy because we know that this line, think about this PT. We have to write that properly. In triangle PQT, in triangle PQT, PT is our, okay, PT is our, PT is diameter, okay. Diameter will bisect this total circle into two semicircles, okay, two semicircular laminas. So we know that semicircular triangle will create a right angle at this circumference, okay, subtended with 90 degrees on the circumference. I'll repeat again, this is a diameter. So diameter will bisect this total circle into two semicircular laminas. Then after, the angle subtended by a semicircular triangle on the circumference, which is a right angle. Semicircular triangle, that is a right angle triangle. Okay, semicircular triangle, which is a right angle triangle. That's why the perpendicular line from T, which is exactly going through this point Q. Exactly going through this point Q. So then you should write that properly in your words. No need to write any explanation with particular words. What do you think about it? So you can easily write that reason. PQT equals to 90. Because what's the reason behind that? So you should write that is a semicircular triangle. Semicircular triangle that will subtend at 90 degrees on the circumference. That's the reason behind this. That's all.